Bah non. Qu'est-ce qui t'arrive?
Guess what, friend? Fishy time!
Irvin, you look adorable. No, Bubby, you look adorable. Don't argue. You look so cute.
Favorite chocolate chip cookies to the dessert menu.
You cannot have it. Please give it back.
We're going to do that.
Let it go.
Персик! Ты что делаешь? Ты нюхаешь? Цветочки.
Eat a certain diet. This time I'm really just all about nourishing my body and eating the best foods to keep.
Hello. Huh? Goose, come here. Good boy. Okay, that's fine.
Why are you laying like that? Are your arms broken? Chicken wing.
You don't. Oh!
What's the easiest and best way for us to fight climate change?
Getting a good look at this shotgun. 12 gauge right here. Watch that recoil when I.
Buongiorno. Chi è detto anche tu buongiorno? Buongiorno.
No. No. Ow! Ow! Stop! No! Ow! No! No. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god.
What's on your mind? If you want it, go, come and get it. All this is... You're gonna hurt yourself.
That big back. Big back, baby.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Sobrepeso u obesidad, bueno, vamos a What? It's not me.
I would love to sit here and chit chat with you, but I gotta go. Oh!
Trick or treat.
Oh my! What are you supposed to be, young man?
I'm a cowboy. Are you serious?
Nobody. Oh.
Oh. Can I get that pizza? Can I get that? That's not your pizza, baby girl.
This is my cat with the big round eyes filter. Let's see what your cat looks like with this filter.
You are. Sit. High five.
Oh, I got the smartest cat in the world. Have a treat, there's your treat, baby. Enjoy that treat, baby.
Oh no, Charlie, look. A red flag.
Today, the last resort, the couples town hall. Gino, how are things?
What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker.
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice. Forgot them! I need to go to the Batcave. Batman needs his supplies. Forgot them!
Cats just be like, meow.
Uh-oh, what happened? Oh! Oh, goodness. Oh!
So here's Simba hiding his little hidey hole, and here's his entire ass.